Hello friends, today we are learn small letter alphabet and number name with color name. So let's start. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Color name: blue color, black color, peach pink color, gray color, sky blue color, white color, yellow color, red color, purple color, dark green color, orange color, light green color, pink color. A. A for apple, pink color. B. B for ball, peach pink color. C. C for cat, black color. D. D for doll, orange color. E. E for egg, red color. F. F for fish, light green color. G. G for grapes, blue color. H. H for horse, yellow color. I. I for eyes, purple color. J. J for jam, sky blue color. K. K for kangaroo, dark green color. L. L for lion, pink color. M. M for man, peach pink color. N. N for nest, black color. O. O for orange, orange color. P. P for panda, red color. Q. Q for queen, light green color. R. R for rose, blue color. S. S for snake, yellow color. T. T for tiger, purple color. U. U for unicorn, sky blue color. V. V for fan, dark green color. W. W for whale, pink color. X. X for X-ray, peach pink color. Y. Y for yak, black color. Z. Z for zoo, orange color. Number 1. Red color. Number 2. Light green color. Number 3. Blue color. Number 4. Yellow color. Number 5. Purple color. Number 6. Sky blue color. Number 7. Dark green color. Number 8. Pink color. Number 9. Blue color. Number 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.